In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a contact sheet in Adobe Bridge. So the first thing you have to do here in Adobe Bridge, you want to of course have a folder which has a lot of your images selected, and with this we're going to now make a contact sheet. So you want to go to Window up top, Workspace, and then you want to click on Output. Now you could also click on Output up here in case you have it. For me, I do, so I'm going to click on that. There we go. And then it's going to basically allow you to see this kind of your contact sheet. So to first make it a contact sheet, here on the right, you'll have a lot of different options. Let me turn off this watermark. There we go. Now the first thing you have to do here is where it says template. You could of course set a template. So for example, here there's a bunch of different contact sheets. We have like 5x4, for example. We have 8x5. So there's a bunch of different ones. So you can click whichever one you want here, and then you can go ahead and just add in your images. So for example, me, I would just of course add in the images I have, and this is the same image over and over again, and that is because it's just for the purpose of this tutorial. I'm not actually making something, but for you, you can do it however you want, okay? And then here you can go to document, you can go ahead and adjust page sizes, the widths, the heights, the background colors. You could like change it to whatever you want it to be. That's completely up to you. You could also select and change the resolution. You could go ahead and adjust the thumbnail placements, image qualities. You could select the fonts, the file name fonts, etc. You could also adjust the grids, margins. You could add headers and footers if you want to. You could also add on watermarks to images. So if I put on this, it's going to add on watermarks. For example, if I just type in some text, you'll be able to see it's going to watermark all the images. I don't want this right now. And then last but not least, you have the PDF properties, because this is going to be exported as a PDF. You can go ahead and give it like a password, playback, etc. And whenever you are done with this, of course, make sure you customize it and double check everything. You can then click to export to PDF, click OK, and then here you can just, of course, save it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this one test, like this. There we go, .pdf. Press save, and it's going to start exporting, and when that's done, it's gonna open just like this, and this is basically now your contact sheet. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.